Hi guys, I just found a new website. They will give you free coins for TnaTan App. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get free coins for TnaTan App. Just follow my video properly. Let's check my account at first. Here's the coins in my account right now. So the first thing you will need to do in order to get free coins, you have to go to my website. My website name is topiria.live. Just search here for TnaTan App. Click Verify Now button. Complete at least 2 offers to get coins in your account. You may install an apps, or you can complete other offers. In order to finish any app install offer, just install the app and then open the apps for 30 seconds. I just want to know, that offers are different for different countries. It depends on your device and your location. You might see different tasks from those ones here. Look here, my coins are increasing. Get your coins now, hurry up.